Welcome to the video lecture series on Python programming. This is the first video of the course about the introduction to Python. In the video, I am going to discuss about the basics of programming, Python, comparison of Python with other programming languages, the scope of Python, applications which are based on Python, and the reason why to choose Python. Let's start with the basic part, what exactly the programming is. Is the programming or coding same thing? Answer is no. So let's have a look to the programming first. When we talk about the programming, it means first we need a task or a problem. Then we need to find out the solution for a particular task. The solution comprises of various steps, which makes an algorithm or pseudocode. Once you have done with all these steps, now there is a final step to code it. So that's coding part. Let's discuss the programming with the help of an example. Take an example that you have a list of elements where you have to find out the largest one. So what is the process? How you will program it? So as per the problem, first thing is to understand the problem clearly. Like we have a list of numbers or alphabets. If there are numbers or alphabets, then we have to find out the process to find the largest element. So the main solution for this is one by one we need to traverse all the elements and find the largest one, and this largest element is the output. So when we talk about the pseudocode for this, there are three steps. First is initialization. It means we need a original list which is carrying the items. Second, we need a temporary variable to store the largest variable. When we come to the process is one by one we need to traverse all the elements and compare it with the temporary variable. If I am taking a temporary variable whose value is 0 and first element of the list is 2, now I have to compare 0 with 2. Yes, 2 is greater than 0, then 2 is going to store in the temporary variable. In this manner, we will traverse all the elements and the final output is basically the temporary value which is fetched from the list. And now we need to code it in the language. Basically, pseudocode is independent to the language. So here, when we talk about the programming, it is a series of steps, and when we talk about the coding, it is basically to code a pseudocode into a machine understandable language like C, C++, or here it is Python. So my focus is on the last step and we are using here Python. Let's start Python. Python is a very beautiful language created by Guido van Rossum. When we talk about the first release, it was in 1991. Python is a high-level programming language like C, C++, Java. When we talk about the language, it is not meant for a single purpose. Means we can also develop the web applications, Android applications. We can use multiple tools with Python to make a big project. So Python provide you all purpose, all type of supports. That's why it is a general purpose programming language. And the objective of this language is code readability. Means a common user can understand what is written in the code in an easy manner. Currently, the version of Python which you will see to download is 3.8.2. Python Software Foundation has created a website for the Python support, which is www.python.org. You can go to the website and you will get the all type of support here to download the software, to get the books, to get the tutorials, to understand the Python. When we compare the Python with other programming languages, then Python is far better than others. Like Python provide you wide range of functions and methods. When we talk about the Python and Java, Python programs are typically 3 to 5 times shorter than equivalent Java programs. Python also provides the object-oriented support. And the beauty about the Python is the support of large collection of libraries. You just need to import the library and use the methods available in the particular library. So we can say Python is very easy to understand, easy to learn, and has the enormous support. And the beautiful thing about the Python is its data structures like list, dictionary, set, tuple. One more thing about the Python is currently all the companies are working on artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT, and Python is a backbone. So trust me, when we talk about the most popular languages, Python is the top ranker. Python is on the top. This is a survey done on behalf of 2019, and you will see the results on the screen. When we talk about the scope of Python, then the scope is not to a single domain. You can do anything with the help of Python. You can make web applications, you can make frameworks, computational applications, prototypes, games, machine learning applications. Even you can design the operating system with the help of Python. If we talk about some examples which are based on the Python, then see the applications which are using Python like big giants, Google, Facebook, Instagram. Means you can do entertainment tasks with the Python as well. Spotify, Netflix, YouTube, online communities like Quora, Pinterest, Dropbox, Reddit, Yahoo, Yahoo Maps, and the commercial applications like Uber. So the scope and applications are much more than we think. I think that's enough to discuss about the Python and a reason to choose Python as a programming language. It will make you up to date based on the demand of market. The jobs scope is endless, and the best thing about the Python is ease of coding, means the flexibility which is provided by the Python is amazing. So that's all about the today's video. In the next video, we will discuss about the installation process and how you will compile the Python program. Thank you.